We're creating our salsa today with the tomatoes from ChoZen, and we have everything nice and organized. Our lemon, the tomatoes, just our stewed basil from my garden, a little bit of sea salt. We have some food art tomatoes, olive oil in our jar, and we have our knife, microplane, and a bowl for mixing. Sunfloss for our food art. Our basil, tomato salsa, the beautiful ChoZen tomatoes, and a couple of plates. All set to create a beautiful tomato dish. It's Melanie Albert with Love Beautiful Food. The beautiful tomatoes on the plate. Tomato salsa with tomatoes from ChoZen. A little bit of food art with tomatoes on the vine. It's Melanie Albert with Love Beautiful Food.